Some pretty bizarre news this morning. If you guys did not see this, UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson was fatally shot in New York. UnitedHealthcare, for those that do not know, is actually a publicly traded stock. UNH is the ticker that it trades under. UNH is actually up about 0.74%. I find that to be incredibly odd. I guess originally it sold off, but then it recovered and made new highs, and then now it's kind of retracing a little bit. Some of the details, if you guys haven't heard, is that Brian Thompson was in New York City for and actually walking over to an event that was hosted by UnitedHealthcare in an investor conference in the ballroom of like this midtown Hilton Hotel. And as he was walking on over, he was there in his suit and his tie, and there was a man that was waiting out there masked for about 10 minutes, and it's sub-freezing temperatures. So obviously being out there for 10 minutes, obviously just a little odd. But I guess as he walked up to the midtown Hilton Hotel, 20 feet away, he opened fire and shot Brian Thompson multiple times, ultimately kind of just leaving him there. When Brian Thompson was taken to the hospital, they couldn't do anything. I guess that's what they said, and he ended up unfortunately passing away. So Brian Thompson was 50 years old and the CEO of UnitedHealthcare. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like it's definitely a targeted event. You guys let me down in the comment section what you think. But other than that, MSTR, a lot of consolidation, no super clear direction. This thing is not bullish. This thing is not bearish. And if you really pay attention for the past 3 days, it's kind of been doing the same thing, kind of just trading sideways. Not much going on there. Surprisingly, we actually talked about it within our live trading session today. PLTR was actually seeing some selling pressure today. Finally, PLTR never pulls on back. So glad to see it pull on back to the EMA, but we'll see if we can break below that EMA and actually retrace right back down to that moving average. Besides that, Tesla was also one that was talked about a lot today just due to its consolidation, but honestly, not much going on. Same previous support level of 348 and same previous resistance level of 355. NASDAQ market is in the green, making new all-time highs. Surprise, surprise. I don't know how the market continues to skyrocket. We have Meta slightly in the red, but we had Microsoft and Google slightly in the green. It's just absolutely insane that markets are thriving, but yet people can't afford rent and people still cannot afford the prices of goods at grocery stores. It's absolutely insane. We'll see. We'll see how long and how much longer the markets can continue to keep this up for. But as of right now, trend is your friend, direction's in your favor. Feel free to take advantage of obviously any opportunities that continue to get presented. Just be very, very careful at these extreme overbought levels. I would hate to see any individual buy at these levels with the intention to invest, and then markets begin to retrace and you end up being left holding that bag. So again, if you want to tune on into our live trading sessions, second link in the description down below. It's every single day, every good day, every bad day, every good trade, every bad trade you get to see within this live session. If you ever want to tune on in, second link in the description down below, and I'll see you for that live session. Take care, team.